Welcome back to Beautyistic. Now, I don't know about you, but there's something special about finding the perfect lipstick that feels as good as it looks. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Wet n Wild Rose Comforting Glossy Natural Lipstick in Pink Biscotti Mommy. It promises to deliver a natural, soft look with some serious lip-loving ingredients. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. This lipstick is all about that subtle, everyday elegance. The formula is enriched with a blend of nourishing ingredients like vitamin E acetate, passionfruit seed oil, and raspberry oil. These ingredients aren't just a fancy addition. They help to keep your lips feeling hydrated and soft, making it perfect for anyone who wants their lips to look as healthy as they feel. As far as the finish goes, this lipstick gives a glossy, buildable color. You can start with a light swipe for a sheer, natural look, or layer it up for a more vibrant pop. It's all about versatility, which I really appreciate, especially for a lipstick that promises to be easy to wear every day. The Pink Biscotti Mommy shade leans towards a soft, pinky nude, ideal for anyone who loves a neutral lip with just a hint of color. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. I wore this lipstick through a full day, from my morning coffee to a quick meeting, and here's what I found. The texture is smooth, it glides on without tugging, and the glossy finish stayed intact for a solid few hours. However, I did need to reapply after eating, but that's pretty normal for a glossy lipstick, so no big surprise there. If you're someone who prefers longer wear time without reapplication, this may not be your go-to for all-day wear, but for quick touch-ups, it's perfect. The lipstick is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 0.08 ounces, so you don't feel like you're carrying around a heavy tube. The size makes it perfect for tossing into your bag for on-the-go convenience. As for the pros, the lipstick's creamy texture is easy to apply, the nourishing ingredients keep lips soft, and the buildable color gives you control over the intensity. Plus, it's cruelty-free, which is always a win in my book. On the flip side, the cons. The wear time isn't the longest, especially if you're eating or drinking. Also, if you prefer a matte finish, this may not be for you. But if you're into glossy lips and comfortable wear, these are pretty minor drawbacks. When it comes to value for money, this lipstick is a solid choice. Wet n Wild is known for offering good quality products at an affordable price point, and this lipstick is no exception. The combination of nourishing ingredients and vibrant ink buildable color makes it a good deal for anyone who's looking for a high-performance lip color without breaking the bank. For those of you who love a soft, glossy finish but might not want to splurge on high-end products, there are some great alternatives out there, like the NYX Butter Gloss or the ELF Cosmetics Sheer Slick Lipstick, both of which provide a similar gloss and feel at a comparable price. So, does this lipstick live up to its claims? It absolutely does for those looking for a sheer, natural look with a glossy finish. The soft, buildable color and hydrating ingredients make it a standout for everyday wear, and the cruelty-free formula is just the cherry on top. If this review was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this one. Your support helps keep us going with new content every week. If you've used the Wet n Wild Rose Comforting Glossy Natural Lipstick, or have your own favorite lip product, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing about what works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.